Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can cancel just one item from what you ordered on Temu. So first, just hover your mouse over Orders and Account section, then click on Your Orders. Now, in this page, you can see all the items that you ordered. Just click on Cancel Items, cancel the order, then choose the item that you would like to cancel. Then click Cancel Checked Items. Just choose your reason for cancellation. Then confirm cancellation. Next is just click Yes, Cancel Items. Currently, cancellation is still in progress. You just have to wait for your cancellation to be completed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that this video helped you on how you can cancel just one item from your order. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again on the next one. Bye!